Hello, everyone. How are you? This is Teacher Dennis. And it's nice to see you again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are all in good condition.
So, now open your English books to page 97. We are going to learn Unit 12, Lesson 2, Part 3, Had and Didn't Have. Today, we are going to learn when to use had and didn't have.
Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And I hope that you are always ready with your books. Okay, thank you. So please open your books on page 97. Okay, are you ready? Okay, good. So what have you learned last week? Can you still remember your lessons? Okay, so don't forget your lessons. Okay, so last week we have learned the use of were and weren't, the use of was and wasn't, and we have learned some adjectives. Okay, so this time we are going to continue Unit 12, Lesson 2C. We are still in grammar. Okay, we are going to learn the use of had and didn't have. Okay, let's begin learning. So, had is the past form of have and has. Then have is the past form of don't have and doesn't have. So had, then have, they are both in past form. It means it is finished already. Okay, so had is in positive form. It means yes. Then have is in negative form. It means not. So you can use both in singular or plural form. The same with then have. You can use singular or plural form. Okay, so please take a look at these structures. Okay, are you ready? Good. So, I had, he had, she had, it had, you had, we had, they had. Then have. I didn't have, he didn't have, she didn't have, it didn't have, you didn't have, we didn't have, and they didn't have. Okay, did you get it? Okay, good job. Now, we are going to use had and didn't have in sentences. Okay, so remember, had is in positive form. Then have is in negative form. Okay. So are you ready to read? Wow, good. So let's read. They had pizza yesterday. They didn't have pizza yesterday. Positive sentence, negative sentence. Okay? Number 2. She had an ice cream. She didn't have an ice cream. Number 3. I had lots of books last week. I didn't have lots of books last week. We had homework. We didn't have homework. He had PE class yesterday. He didn't have PE class yesterday. Okay, can you make your own sentences? Okay, very good. So this time, we are going to do an activity. Okay. So, you are going to write had or didn't have with this adjective, with these nouns. Okay? So, example number 1. I will give you the answer. Okay. I had breakfast in the classroom. So, breakfast had because it is in positive form. Number 2. He didn't have cereal for breakfast. not have cereal. So, not have, that is negative form. So, I use didn't have. Did you get it? Okay, I will repeat. Number 1. I had breakfast in the classroom. So, breakfast, I use had because positive form. Number 2. He didn't have cereal for breakfast. I use didn't have because not have is in negative form. Now, it's your turn to answer 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. What's the answer for number 3, 4, 5, and 6? Okay, number 3, noun, not have apples. Number 4, pens. Number 5, math class. And number 6, not have books. Okay, are you ready to answer? Okay, let's answer it together. Let's find out. Number 3, what's the answer? Okay, let's read. They didn't have apples yesterday. Why we use didn't have? Because not have. Okay, negative. Number 4. Sarah had pens and crayons. Why we put had? Because it is in positive form. You cannot see any negative in this noun. Okay, number 5. We had math class last week. So the answer is had. Okay, because math class, you cannot see any negative in this noun. Okay, last number 6. What's the correct answer? She didn't have books last week. So, not have books. So, you are going to use didn't have. Okay. Did you understand our activity? Did you understand how to use had and didn't have? Okay, so let's have a review. What have you learned in this video? What are the things that we have learned? Okay, so we have learned had. Okay, so remember, had is the past form of have and has. Okay, you can use in positive sentence. Okay, because positive sentence is yes or you are agreeing. Okay, so you use had. Okay, so example, we had lots of homework last week. Okay, what else? What is the other thing that we have learned in this video? So we have learned didn't have. So didn't have is the past form of don't have and doesn't have. So didn't have, that is in negative. So we use didn't have in negative sentence. Okay, so negative means no. Okay, so let's read this sentence. We didn't have lots of books yesterday. Okay, so after watching this video, please get your workbook and open your workbook on page 97, and please answer these activities, activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, so always read the instructions. Okay, so these are the instruction. Okay, so you must follow the instruction first. Okay, so I hope that you understand our lesson for today. So be safe. See you in the next video. Goodbye and God bless.
That's all for today. Study hard and do your best. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.